Okay, let's demystify some of this spiritual knowledge that all of us have learned and either thought that it was a bunch of malarkey or that it was, you know, in the religious realm. Some people don't think it's cool, stuff like that. Okay, scientifically, angels are actually dimensional beings that are higher than us that we cannot see. They are either in between a dimension or they are above a dimension, and that's why we cannot see them. Spirits who don't go to the light, there is a doorway and your pineal gland, and there's some other part in your brain that supposedly triggers this effect that lets you look at a dimensional doorway, perhaps, and that's what you go through when you die. However, you have free will, so if you decide not to go, you're stuck in the in between, basically this dimension without a body. So that's my understanding. And angels feel sorry for them, and uh, that's what it says in the book, per se, and that's why they try to help the people out that are actually here in this dimension that they can see. So, and then, let's see, our body actually gives off a bioelectric field. Now, some people are different. It's kind of like your blood type. You could be AB positive, you could be AB negative, you could be O positive, you could be O negative. There's different types of vibrational fields that we give off, whereas some are more compatible than others, let's just say. Now, people who see these different vibrational fields are very sensitive to it, and they will see it as colors. Okay, and in fact, you have a field, and sometimes it's down like this, and sometimes it's really far out, and it depends on how much energy you have currently running through your system. Now, supposedly, when you are bummed out and sad, your energy is low, and that's why we have expressions like being bummed out and feeling low and stuff like that. And then when you're happy, it's like when you're in love, they have an expression like being on cloud nine. You're really happy, you're high up in the vibrational field, so to speak. So, obviously, you want to get the higher vibration. In fact, they are higher and higher and higher and higher and higher vibrations way above us. In fact, calculus, a lot of scientists have started to try to work dimensional problems, whereas they believe that we are in the fourth dimension and we are traveling or being affected by the fifth dimension. So you have X, Y, and Z and time. And maybe the fifth one is a form of ultraviolet or higher than ultraviolet that we cannot see. And that's when it starts going into the magnetic realm. I believe that's what it was according to my science books. You're welcome to correct me if I'm wrong. And also, there is a couple of different conservations of energy that would kind of explain what people are saying about our souls, and that your soul can grow and get bigger, okay? It can get higher, but it can also circulate faster. And this circulation, um, supposedly increases your um, vibration. It raises your vibration, but it doesn't increase the amount per se unless you're pulling in energy from the surrounding area. Now, Tibetan monks, or it was either the Shaolin or the Tibetan, they would sit there and meditate for hours and hours and hours. They actually have a diagram And they didn't realize what they were drawing, I don't think, until it occurred to them that this diagram of circles all kind of lined up, and then they were overlapping each other, creating a lattice framework. They thought, gosh, this is a pretty pattern. But this picture, maybe I might be able to post it, but the picture of where it's overlapping, that is people's souls. There's a circular spot, essentially, or a conical, since we are tall and usually fairly skinny, except for in my case, I guess. But and then it's round, obviously, if you look from the top down. And that is the exact same picture as the energies overlapping. Now, some people's energies, like I said earlier, are compatible with others. Like, for instance, in physics, polarity. A positive attracts the negative, but once they combine together, they neutralize each other. Okay? The positives repel each other, and in a way, our biorhythms can actually do that. Now, some people that I've seen in books complain about their positive energy being hurt by a negative energy, and that's very possible because if you think about the reactions that you see in chemistry and physics, some of them are very explosive and very reactive, and of course it all boils down to a bunch of atoms with excessive negative charges on one side and excessive positive charges on another. Okay? Um, but that's so far what I've got, and I hope you like it.